How to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Binance. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this icon at the top left corner. And then click on your profile. Inside account information, head over to security. The option of Authenticator app will be visible to you. Click on it. Now click on Enable. Once you click on Enable, the Google Authenticator app will start to download on your device. Once it has been installed on your device, open it. It will land you on this interface. Now click on plus icon at the bottom right corner. Two different options will be available to you. You can select any one of it. Either you scan a code or enter a setup key. Let me click on enter a setup key. Now you will have to fill up the information. Enter your account number and also enter the setup key. Once you have entered, click on add. Tap on next at the bottom. For the verification of Authenticator, you have to enter Authenticator app code. Once you have entered the 6-digit code, click on submit. And there you go, the Authenticator app has been verified successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable Google Authenticator on Binance. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.